Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? What is JavaScript? You see an official description of JavaScript, but I want to talk more about it. JavaScript is one of the most popular used programming language in the world, and it's growing faster than any other programming languages. Netflix, PayPal built entire application around JavaScript. It is a great opportunity to get a good job out of learning JavaScript. You can work as a front-end developer, back-end developer, or full-stack developer. JavaScript runs only in browsers, so every browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, and etc. has a JavaScript engine. So that JavaScript engine executes JavaScript code. We will do some example about it later. If you want to execute JavaScript outside of the browser, you should use Node.js. Node.js is JavaScript plus C++ programming language that allow us to develop backend and mobile application with that. There is another thing, ECMAScript. ECMAScript is just specification. JavaScript is a programming language. ECMA is defining standards for JavaScript. First version of ECMAScript released in 1997, then 2015, which was ES6. ECMA is released newest specification yearly. It's defined many new features for JavaScript. You can check Wikipedia for more information. As you see, first release 1997, and then it is released in yearly specification for JavaScript as you see. What can I build with JavaScript? You can build web and mobile application, real-time networking app, or game. JavaScript gives us great flexibility. Let's start coding. I want to show how you run JavaScript on your browser. You just need to right-click on your browser, then click Inspect. Then you need to click Console. Let me get it up. And let's type our first JavaScript code. Console log hello JavaScript and semicolon and enter. You see guys, we see our message. We will talk many of them in future tutorials. You can also use math expression too. For example, 2 plus 2 and enter. Or you can run an alert. Alert, my first alert in JS, and enter. You see guys, this is our first alert in JavaScript. We will use all of things in our future tutorials. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.